In this video, I am going to share with you the Pencil Sketch Effects preset pack. It includes two different colors, white and black. This preset pack will work on Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Let me show you how to use this preset pack. Open Premiere Pro. I am taking a full HD sequence. This preset will work with any resolution. Let's place a video on the timeline. Now I am taking an adjustment layer. Place it like that. Now let's import the preset pack. Here presets are imported. Now select any preset and apply it to the adjustment layer and you are done. To apply the black version, delete this preset from the effects control panel, then apply the second preset. You can add any footage you want. That's it. Thanks for watching.